Today let's prepare an instant breakfast using puffed rice or murmura, and we are going to use same batter for two different varieties of breakfast. So let's see how to prepare this easy murmura nashta two ways. Hi, welcome to Ambika Shetty's kitchen. Here I've taken 2 cups of murmura or the puffed rice, and to this I'm going to add 2 cups of water. I'll let this murmura get soaked for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then we can drain this and transfer only the soaked murmura, not the water, into a grinding jar. We need to grind it into a very fine paste or the batter, but along with this soaked murmura we are also going to add half cup of suji or rava and 3/4 cup of curd. We need to grind this into a very fine paste or the batter. If you have chiroti rava, you can use that. If you don't have chiroti rava, Bombay rava or upma rava is also fine. So the batter is ready, but it seems slightly thick. We can adjust the batter consistency by adding water. Since murmura makes the batter very soft, moreover we have added curd, we need to add very little water. The batter should not become very watery or thin. So initially I have added only 1/4 cup of water. We need to mix this well. Batter still seems little thick, so I'll add 1/4 cup of water more, and I'm going to mix it well again. To this batter we can add any vegetables, finely chopped vegetables of our choice. The batter is ready. This is the desired consistency. Into this we are going to add 2 tablespoons of onion, 2 tablespoons of capsicum, 2 tablespoons of tomato, 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 green chili, all finely chopped. Along with this I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. So we are going to mix this well. I'm yet to add salt. This is mixed well. Now I'm going to add 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of cooking soda. If you don't want to add soda, you can either add Eno or you can just skip soda as well as Eno. But adding soda will make the nashta very fluffy and soft. So now the batter is ready. Here I have taken a small pan. I have added spread about 1 teaspoon of oil. Into this we are going to pour the batter. Basically we are going to make a thick roti kind of thing. So I have taken here 2 to 3 ladle full of batter. You can either make this very thin or thick as per your preference. Again I have added 1 teaspoon of oil on top. Let this get cooked on low flame. Meanwhile in a appe pan we can fill oil in each cavity and then we'll fill it with the batter. So this is how we can prepare 2 different varieties of breakfast using same batter. We will let this get cooked on low to medium flame. Once this is cooked on one side, we can gently flip it and cook on both the sides. You can also prepare idli using the same batter, but then the batter has to be little thick. The batter consistency has to be thick. But these two are the instant ways of preparing breakfast. And if you don't have much time, you can just soak murmura for just 10 minutes and then go ahead and prepare the batter. I have flipped all the appe, and on top again I have added little oil. So the appe are cooked well on both the sides. This is removed from the pan. Meanwhile here the roti is also cooked on one side. We have to flip and cook it on both the sides. Now we are going to cook it on other side too. We can add 1 more teaspoon of oil or ghee if you want. That will enhance the flavor. So this easy and instant healthy breakfast can be served with any spicy chutney of your choice or any veg kurma or sagu. Please do try this at home. I'll be back with yet another interesting recipe. Until then, you take care of yourself, be happy, stay healthy. Bye.